How to horizontally cut barcode in multiple parts. In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to horizontally cut barcode in multiple parts using PDF Cutter tool. Download link is provided in description. After installing PDF Cutter tool, simply launch it. This represents the interface of the PDF Cutter tool. To begin, click on the File button. Then click on Load option or press L on your keyboard. Select the desired PDF you wish to cut horizontally and click on Open button. A pop-up will appear on screen asking for pages to be excluded from the cut process. If you are unsure about it, click on Cancel button. Shortly, a new window will appear on full screen. User can adjust the window accordingly. To draw crop box, hold left-click on mouse and drag it horizontally to make selection. Repeat the process for remaining pages. After adjusting the boxes, click on the Action button. You will see dual options. Crop option to cut the barcode horizontally and save it. Preview option to preview the output of the horizontally cut barcode. Click on Crop option. A pop-up will appear asking for location to save the cropped PDF. After selecting the location, click on Save button. It will automatically open the cropped PDF. As you can see, we succeeded in cutting the barcode horizontally. By following these steps, user can cut barcode in multiple parts horizontally. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.